바다에서 이른 아침 눈을 떠.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dito, I will show you how to achieve this simple Korean makeup look and it will be very easy. First, start with a clean face. And apply nyo lang yung primer nyo onto your skin for dewy and long-lasting makeup. Pat the primer onto your skin until it dries. Next, I will be using Deoproce BB Cream. Squeeze a small amount and apply it on your face using a sponge or your fingers. It's a Korean product. Maganda siya for everyday use because it has a SPF 35. Medyo lighter siya sa skin ko para ma-achieve ko yung Korean porcelain glow. And if masyado siya maputi, don't worry, mag-oxidize siya in a minute. Time blending this product kasi it has a thick consistency. Oh my god, girl, hindi pantay sa noo. Then, before we set the powder, gagamit muna ako ng lip tint for blush. The reason I want to use it first because I want my blush to be like skin, not on skin. Para mukha siyang nag-blush naturally. This is my boyfriend's babe. Place a small amount on your cheeks, then let it fall. Then we can set it by powder using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. This shade has darker tone para ma-neutralize natin yung white cast na binibigay ng BB cream because of its high amount of SPF. Let's go ahead to the eyeshadow. Using Rosa Colourpop eyeshadow, I will choose the Duchess Matte shade and I will apply it onto my lids. Blend it well. Using the same eyeshadow, i-apply ko rin siya sa under eye area ko. The Nudes Maybelline eyeshadow palette. I'll choose this dark brown eyeshadow and gagamitin ko siya para sa outer corner ng eyes ko. Balik tayo sa Colourpop eyeshadow. Using Babe's Satin shade, i-apply ko siya sa middle lid ng eyes ko to have more definition and impression of gloss effect. Chic metallic shade, i-apply ko siya sa inner corner ng eyes ko for highlights. Next, for my brows, I'll be using LA Colors eyeshadow. Choosing the brown shade, I will apply it on my brows in a straight shape. for straight and soft brows. They are really not fond of strong brows. So make sure to straighten and soften your strokes as much as possible. Next, using the same eyeshadow palette, I'll be using the darker brown to line my eyes. Maglalagay tayo ng maliit na wing for more depth and dramatic look. Brows. Ang gulo mo, ate girl. I'll set my brows using this Nichido Tinted Brow Gel. Apply it generously on your brows. And balik tayo sa eyes. I will add a liquid eyeliner to darken the line of our lids. Carefully line your eyes as close to your lash line and make it thin as much as possible. Mascara, coat your lashes generously. For contour, using again the Maybelline palette, gagamitin ko yung light brown shade and i-contour ko siya sa nose bridge ko. Blend it with fluffy brush if may harsh lines. To highlight my nose, kunin ko lang yung Chic metallic shade from Colourpop eyeshadow and I will tap it sa tip ng nose ko. I will use Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade of Clay Crush for my base lip color. Lagay ko siya sa inner lids for gradient effect. To set all the makeup, I use 3W Clinique Makeup Pearl Mist to have the dewy glow that Koreans are known for. And the look is finished.
같은 방 아침 눈을 떠
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Kindly like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions for my next video, you can comment down below. You can follow me on these social media accounts. Salamat!